Namaste Cosmo. India is my greatest pride, a land where history lives through its monuments, where every city has a new story, every festival brings colors, and every tradition carries wisdom. It is a country where modern dreams grow while staying rooted in centuries of culture. Growing up in a small village in Rajasthan, I was surrounded by the real soul of India, the sound of folk music in village gatherings, the energy of traditional dances, and the forts that stand tall as symbol of strength and heritage. I was born and raised in a small village near Udaipur, in a close-knit family with my parents and my elder sister. My father once dreamt of being an actor himself, and though he couldn't pursue it, he passed that dream on to me with his full support. My family's love and values are my greatest strength, and everything I do is to make them proud. As a child actor, I worked in 7 regional films, and that experience shaped my confidence, creativity, and deep love for storytelling. My journey led me to pursue computer science engineering as well as a degree in fashion designing. 2 different worlds that together shaped me. My ultimate dream is to build a career in acting, merging performance with purpose, and using my platform to inspire others while protecting the world we share. My journey of community work started in my hometown, Udaipur, where I have been deeply involved in lake conservation. But for me, being an environmentalist doesn't end with my roots. It travels with me wherever I go. Now that I live in Mumbai, a city shaped by its coastline and its people, I feel it's my responsibility to contribute here as well. That's why I joined Afroz Shah at Versova Beach for a cleanup drive. Walking along the sand, collecting plastic waste with hundreds of volunteers, I realized that leadership isn't about grand gestures. It's about rolling up your sleeves, being the first to act, and inspiring others to follow. Every bottle picked, every bag of trash lifted was a reminder that protecting our planet starts with us. But my purpose is also about people. At Aftertaste NGO, I worked alongside women who are using art to transform their lives. Together, we crafted eco-friendly bags, but more than that, we created possibilities. I believe financial independence gives women more than income. It gives them dignity, courage, and the power to shape their own future. That is why I went a step further, organizing a corporate pop-up stall where their products were sold, and every rupee went directly to them. To me, that sale wasn't just a transaction. It was a celebration of their strength and creativity. From restoring lakes to cleaning beaches, from making bags to selling them, I see all of this as one circle of impact. An impact where the environment, sustainability, and women empowerment come together. Where we don't just clean what's outside, but also lift up those around us. This is the kind of work that defines me, not just as a delegate for Miss Cosmo, but as a woman, an environmentalist, and a change maker at heart. And Apply Vietnam, I'm bringing all the love of my people with me.
Miss Cosmo, impactful beauty.